This is the lace swing. Minion might be jealous. He's talking. He doesn't know what to make of him. Say hi. Hello, baby budgies. Okay. Well, I can't play with you just yet. We'll play with them after, because your food's getting cold. Minion, are you cute? He said yes, Minion. Alright.
The right temperature?
It is. It's at 106, well, 105 now.
Yay, baby feeding.
Okay, let's get the little one out. Sometimes the food gets stuck. Okay. He's full now. He wiggles so much. The crop's all full. Okay, lace wing girl now. They're hard to pick up. They move too much. Syringe got stuck. Oh no, it went all over her face. This happens. Sometimes the food goes everywhere except in the bird. And she's like, oh, she wants. There we go. See that inflated? That's what you want. And wipe her down. And this is why I kind of prefer these naked babies. They're easy to clean. She's clean. But this guy is getting his feathers, or her feathers. I don't know yet what it is. Can't tell till they're older. But he's getting nice feathers in. Alright, let's fill him up. He took the whole thing. That's good. He ate about 4 cc's right there. His little crop's all full. He's starting to go into what I call the fuzzy butt stage, where he gets the down on his back here. And soon he'll also go into what I call the Mr. Burns stage, because they get the little down feathers in the back of their heads here. And it looks like Mr. Burns' hair from The Simpsons. Okay, now I can let Minion talk to the babies and play with them. The food's not cold anymore. Notice how much calmer they are. Minion, are you okay?
Sneezing.
Sneezing fit. Come here. Do you want to see the babies? What do you think? Baby budgies? Baby budgie? They're gonna sleep now, so I'm gonna put them back, Minion. Say goodbye. Bye, babies.
What do you think, Minion?
Minion, one of them might be your future wife.
Right. Arranged marriage here.
Yep. So they're back in the brooder and they're on the heating pad.
Yay.
There he is. Alright, so we had a very nice day today. We went out, we did a garbage run, right?
Yep, and we got ourselves some breakfast. We got some takeout, of course.
Yeah, we went to Village Inn and I got some coffee and pancakes with fruits.
Yep, and then after I got her that, I just went by Checkers and got me a combo. And we had breakfast together. It was nice. And then we spent the day washing the cars, and I video gamed, and I'm playing Fear 3 on PlayStation 3 right now.
And we might go out again to try to find another restaurant we can get some yummy, decent food at. It's really important right now that we support our local businesses and restaurants during this tough time. You know, we're thankful that we have a job, but I know not everybody does, and we want everyone to be successful and do business, right?
Yeah. So we want to support the places around here. There's people trying to get business into their places, and
Yeah, and we always tell them that we wish them the best, and these store owners are just so grateful we came in. It's just, that's, sad. So we're doing our part, and we get some good food for it. And we get to get out and have some fun, so it's good.
Yes, looking forward to the next trip.
Mm-hmm. Yay! All right, we got the pizza.
Perfect.
We got the pizza, huh?
Pizza.
Yay!
Breadsticks. It was
we,
really nice in there, and they were glad to see us.
Good. We just washed Bruce and Fear today, didn't we?
Yeah, truck's clean.
Looking good. The outside's really shiny. So yeah, I'm starving. This will be good.
Yeah, yummy food.
So today's been a really nice day. Chris and I had a good day off. Here's a little view of our lotus pots. They're doing pretty well. The Empress over there in that blue tub doesn't have any aerial leaves yet, but these guys are getting aerial leaves. Well, that's looking really cool. And it's going to be cold tonight for us. It's going to be dropping to 48's the predicted for tonight. So I brought in pretty much all the orchids and some of the other lowland nepenthes and things that just don't like it. But luckily most things get to stay out and they'll be okay. And it will slowly start warming up. And hopefully this is the last time I have to bring the plants in. And the hope is that this year, I hope we can finally get a good sized polytunnel, so no more in and out with the plants coming into the house every time it gets cold. Alright, so I hope you guys liked this short little update with the baby budgies and with Minion, who was a blabberbeak today. Yes, it's a dinosaur, that's right. Ah, Minion. Spared no expense, right?
Alright guys, you have fun today and just hang in there.
Alright, Des
And Chris.
signing off.